everyone, welcome to Nitty Cat Studio. I'm Cheryl, and today I wanted to just share a little unboxing of an item that I had purchased. I've been anxious to open these, but I really wanted to do a video showing the opening and what I thought about it, and I was going to do a little bit of a demo as far as swatch out the colors. Sennelier Portrait pastels, and this is a 40 assorted half stick soft pastel set. So I bought this a while back on Amazon, and I think I paid like maybe $65 for it. Here's the colors right here, and so yeah, I'm kind of anxious to get them open, but I thought it would be fun. I'm definitely not sponsored by Sennelier or anyone else. So this is just my review and what I think about these pastels. I have a good feeling about them. We'll find out. So let me go ahead and just open this up. Get the plastic off. So yeah, this is exciting. I've been wanting to do this for a while, and I've just been busy. Other things have come up, and you know, life. Life and work and more life. So let me go ahead and get this open. Yeah, there we go. Okay, hopefully I'm in frame. Ooh, okay. There we go. So that's it for the box. I'll set that right there. And now this is it. I'm so excited. All right, so there's a little cardboard on top. And here we go, a little booklet. If I should turn it this way. All right, this is in view. So here is a little booklet. Now I have the oil pastels, and I like them. I have this brand oil pastels, Sennelier. I don't have anything additives or anything like that. I was just really ooh, they have watercolor. Yay. I figured they would. This could be dangerous. Oh, and they have gouache. Oh, nice. Oh, my goodness, and they have inks. Eee. Beautiful. I think the inks and the watercolor are definitely going to have to be next on my list. Okay, and papers, etc. All right, so it comes with a little booklet to sell you more. And this little booklet here. Okay, and they're just advertising more of their product. Okay, so modern since 1887. Oh, the pastel papers in velvet, nice. All right, I better just close this. I could be in trouble here. All right, and then there is a little pastel card. So this is, it feels like it's sanded, which is nice. So that was nice to try that out. Okay, it has a piece of spongy foam, sort of that spongy foam stuff. And there it is. Ah, the unveiling. Oh my. I just want to touch it. Nice. Okay, well. Now that I'm looking at it, I don't know if they're in any particular order. I just thought I wrote down the numbers here, and then I thought I would do this. I just have some Strathmore pastel paper that I thought I would swatch on. And now I'm not sure what color is what, just looking at this. I just jotted them down off of here. So are they in any sort of order? Maybe. Maybe not, though, now that I'm looking at it. All right, so maybe I'll just do the ones that I kind of think are definitely for sure. I might have to figure the rest out as I go. Let's just do, I'm sure this is 525 right here. This is the white. So I'm going to put a little bit of this down. Wow, it's kind of very creamy. If you can see, it's very creamy when you put it on the page. It's really nice. So I'm going to kind of blend that in just a little bit. And I know you can't see that since it's white. 904. It looks to be... Okay, how about 99? It looks to be this one. In the end, to be honest, these numbers, even though I'm swatching this on here, I probably won't refer that much to it. I just thought it'd be nice to be a little organized for you all. But at this point, now that I see that they're not in here in any sort of order that I can tell. Let's see. This one looks to be 409 maybe, right here. So let's go ahead and put some of that down. Wow, it's very soft though. I mean, it really is. Definitely to me softer than the Rembrandts. I usually use the Rembrandts. But can you see a little bit here? Yeah, I like it. I think now I'm just going to play in it a little bit. Let's pull some of that out again. I want to see how it layers. So put a little bit of that on there. Wow, they're held in really well with these the little foamy sponge stuff, but wow, it's a little crumbly. I mean, I guess that's to be expected, but it's not like, you know, you can't work it in and use it all. Oh yeah, that's nice. Try not to move my table here. Let's see how this is sort of like a mustardy, I don't know, 42, I'm not sure which. I don't know, maybe darker. It's kind of hard to tell. I mean, I think they were being helpful by putting the numbers on the side. I suppose especially, I'm not sure if you can get these individually. Maybe you can. I haven't looked into it. So maybe if you just needed a certain number that you wanted to replace, you could order it like that. That's kind of, see how that blends in. Looks like. pretty though. This is sort of a, I don't know, it's like a deep, deep, deep burgundy. I don't know if you can see that. Really pretty though. So I would definitely recommend this set, especially if you're into doing portraits. They have some really nice color. But it blends well, and you can soften it as you go with the lighter colors. So it's very pigmented. It's very strong in color for sure. This one gets a thumbs up for me, and I would definitely consider definitely buying more. Maybe even like a landscape theme. I don't know. Something like that would be nice. I don't know what they have. I might have to look in the book. You never know. Just for fun, do you want to try? Let's try this sanded really quick just to see how it works. Yeah, I like it. Let's try to blend something else in there that you can kind of see. Pretty. Very pretty. Can you see that? All right. Well, I thank you all for joining me today, and I'd appreciate it if you would subscribe on this channel, doing a little bit of everything, a little bit of anything crafty. So if this really isn't your thing, other things, other videos that I have going on, because I have a lot of hobbies, a lot of things that I like to do. So everything from sewing and knitting, a little bit of crochet and drawing, painting, and quilting. I think that's going to be one coming up too. I wanted to do a few quilt blocks, so I think I'll get on camera and show you how I do that. Just wishing you a lovely rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.